Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create video animations using Canva. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and go to the Canva website, that is www.canva.com. Now once you're in Canva, you can actually log in into your account or create an account if you still don't have an account. Now here's the catch. If you want to create video animations, I highly suggest that you get Canva Pro. Now if you get Canva Pro, you have access to 100 million plus premium photos, videos, and elements. You can also use the Magic Resize background remover and premium animations. And the best thing about this is you can cancel anytime, and they will remind you 7 days before your trial ends. So if you don't have a Canva Pro, I highly suggest you subscribe to Canva Pro if you want to create very nice or very beautiful video animations. So if you want to subscribe, just click on try Canva Pro right here, and you can actually start free trial right here. So in my country, I have a 2,490 pesos yearly. That is about, I think, $50 or something. And on the monthly, I have a $6 or 299 pesos. So let's get to the video. So for now, I'm just going to show you real quick on how to make video animations using the free version. And the second part of this video, I'm going to show you using the Canva Pro version on creating video animations. Now without further ado, let's head right into it. Now once you're in this page right here on the Canva, just create a design right here. And of course, click on video. Now it will lead you to this canvas right here, the blank canvas. So this is where we will be working at. Now, if you want to create a video animation on the free version of Canva, you can actually go to elements right here and search on animations like that. And once you're in the animations, go to the video right here, and as you can see, there are a lot of video animations you can use. So for now, let's try searching another one like dancing animations. So as you can see right here, there is a dancing animation of a strawberry. So I'm just going to click on that and drag on that real quick. So this is free right here, so make sure to use or to choose a video animation that has a free logo or without the Pro logo, because if you do that with the Pro logo, it will automatically give us a watermark, and we can't export that or share that or download that certain video. So if you want to have this one, I'm just going to drag on this to fit into my canvas, and right about there. If you want to add some text, just click on text right here and click on add a text box, and you can now add a text based on your based on what you like. So I'm just gonna say dancing strawberry like that, and you can add a animation to this text. Just click on animate right here, and there are a lot of animation templates you can use. As you can see, rise, when I hover on rise, the text will automatically rise. And as you can see, when I click on pan, there is a preview right here on what it does. We have fade, we have pop, we have wipe, we have breathe, we have baseline, drift, and tectonic. So these are the basic text animations. And if you scroll down, there are also a lot of writing animations right here, as you can see, like that. As you can see, once I hover on the animation option, it has a preview. So just choose whatever you like. And we have also an exaggerate text animation like that. As you can see, the preview right here. So just choose anything that you want right here if you want to add some text animation. So for now, I'm just going to click on rise. And if you have the Pro version, you can actually change the speed. So for now, I can't do that because I have my free trial account right here. And you can also change the direction of the rise right here, the basic rise animation, if you have the free version. So for that, That's a that's the text animation. So if you want to add animation to this photo right here, I highly go you click on the photo, and now you have a lot of animations like that. So you can see we have like this and like that. So you have a bunch of different options to choose from. Just simply click on the photo and go to animate right here, and it will automatically go to this photo animations page. And you can also go to page animations if you like. So as you can see, the whole page has been animated like that. So as you can see, this is a great tool if you want to add a little bit of special effects to your video or to your photo or anything. Now if you want to add a photo and you want to animate it, let's just search for a dancing video, or let's say a dancing photo right here, or you can go to graphics. So as you can see, we already have a dancing graphic right here, so just click on that. And now if you want to add a background, just click on the canvas and click on this photo background color right here. So let's choose on this violet or like that. So as you can see, this is already a preset, so it has already been animated. So if you want to add a photo or a graphic that is stable and you want to animate it, just click on any graphic right here. So for example, I'm just going to click on this one right here, and of course click on the photo and click on animate. So we have a bunch of photo animations just like I shown you earlier. We have the rise, the pan, the fade, and anything that you want to choose from. You have some exaggerated right here, so it's as simple as that. So as you can see right here, you can choose when to animate. So you can animate both on enter and exit. So if you want to animate on enter, so it will just automatically animate when the video starts. So on exit, it will not animate at all. So if you just want to choose on exit, so the animation will take place once the video has been already done. So as you can see right here, the animate will take place on exit. So if you want to add both, so as you can see, once I click both, the animation will take place on entry and on exit. So for example right here, as you can see, again, there's the animation and there's the exit. So as you can see, if you want to have it's up to you when you want the animation to take place. So if you want to add some text, you can also animate some text like I have shown you earlier. So I'm just going to click on this, for example, and I'm just going to say dancing girl like that, and let's change the font color. Let's you can actually go to change all like that. You can drag on this to make it look bigger, and if you want to animate this, just what I've shown you earlier, just click on this text and go to animate right here, and of course you have a bunch of different options to choose from right here. So for example, I'm going to choose the exaggerated animation like this, is stomp. So as you can see, once I played my video, there you have it. My photo has been animated, and of course my text has already been animated. Now like I said earlier, I'm going to show you if you have a pro version of Canva. So first I'm going to go to my pro version of Canva. I'm going to change my account right here. So if you decide to go to pro, you have a lot of different graphic or different presets to choose from. So I'm just gonna go to a video presentation right here, create a design, and I want to go to elements, and I'm just gonna go to dancing again. So as you can see, once I click on video, as you can see, I have a lot of dancing videos right here. So for example, I want to choose this one, and mind you, this is only available in the pro version, so make sure to upgrade to the pro version if you want to have this one. So for example, I want this one. So once I click on play right here, it automatically dances, thanks to the pro version of Canva. So if you want to have another example, just click on these three dotted lines right here and go to this name right here. It says view more by Maria Voitova. So I'm just going to click on that, and as you can see, I have a lot of examples to choose from, or a lot of presets to choose from. So let's choose another one. So as you can see right here, if I want to have this cute little fox, let's just drag on that real quick to fit to the screen. So if you want to change the background, just click on the background and click on edit video, and just click on the background remover right here. And as you can see, the background remover is only available if you have the pro version of Canva. So I have the pro version of Canva, so I can access this background remover. So as you can see right there, there is no background in my video. And you can now do some editing if you want. You can add some text like this one. Let's say I'm just gonna add this text again. I'm gonna say dancing fox. So let's drag on that real quick to edit the text into a smaller size. And I'm gonna change the color so that it will be easily to read like that. And there you have it. You can now animate this one just by clicking on animate right here, just like in the free version. So like that. So the difference is, if you go to a pro version of Canva, you have access to a lot of presets like this one. So for example, as you can see, these are available only on the pro version of Canva. But when I go to the free version of Canva, you don't have a lot of options. I mean, you have a decent options, but if you want to have more options for editing and creating animation videos, I highly suggest you go to the pro version of Canva. So once you have done that, you can just click on share right here and download, and make sure the the file type is on MP4 video, so you won't have any problems once you have downloaded this certain video. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to answer those questions as much as I can. So with that being said, thank you for this video, and thank you for watching for this video, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!